Hi gang. I've been working in my backyard, so I'm kind of a hot mess right now, but I just got mail in and I wanted to share. I'm pretty sure these are my seeds. I decided I have a black thumb. Everything I try to grow dies, but I decided I would try to grow some. So let's see. This should be, let's see, a 20-pack seed bank of vegetable, fruit, and herbs, and lupine flowers. Ooh, the Russell strain mixture. See how pretty? And then I have like peas and beans and broccoli. Holy. Oh, apparently I'm supposed to grow a lot of cabbage. But I thought I would just give it a shot. And this was like just like a pack of a few each because I don't have a huge garden and it's just me. So I didn't want to grow a ton. So I'm going to give those a shot. Me gardening, you don't know how funny this is. But the package I'm really excited about is this bad boy. This is from Adele Forward. She sells blocks on Facebook. Hold on. Noise. And I got some Teeswater locks from her that I really enjoyed. And then I saw she had Masham, and I've never used Masham. So I missed out on the sale. I messaged her to see if she had any more. And she just agreed to dye up some just for me. Basically, I told her, go nuts, because we all know I love colors. So I have only seen pictures of this. Here we go. Oh my God. There's over 2 pounds here of extreme length. Oh. Oh. Look it. How's that for woolly goodness? Okay. All right, let's see if we can find some locks here to pull off. Yeah. Look at the length. Guess who's going to be sorting locks for more tail spinning? Look it. Oof, look at this patch of color. Oh, so pretty. I got like half a sheep here. I'm not complaining. I am in love. Oh, look at this. Oh. Oh. So pretty. Oh, and this little bundle of joy. So what I'll end up doing is I'll take out the longest locks for extreme tail spinning. Then I will sort next into just for lock spinning. And then anything left over will just go into a textured yarn. But look at how pretty this is. Look at these locks. Look at them. Look at. It's like I'm torturing you. Look at. I need you to look at the locks. I am so excited. I have like a big furry sheep pelt right now. Now see, with the extreme length, they often felt on the backs, but they're easy enough to pull apart. And then I just give it a light flicking on the ends to loosen up those fibers for tail spinning. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this. Okay, well, my boys are crawling all over me because they want to go out to the patio. So I'm going to parcel them up and take them out. And I will take this with me to keep me entertained. I'm so excited, guys. I can't wait to show you what I do with it. I will see you later.